And just at the beginning of the hike, just when we started the hike towards the waterfall, I met somebody from Tunisia.
Thank you.
Inside the jungle, heading towards the waterfall. We've reached the little waterfall over there. This is the first one. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, really nice.
You see the monkeys?
I heard the monkey, I think.
Look at them.
Where?
Going to move.
I see there, on the tree.
You see?
Afin Ghadi, Sahabi. Afin Ghadi. Are you going inside or?
I don't know, we didn't. Was there another pot?
Oh, we seem to be lost. So I found some more people who I think went in the wrong direction. Oh, so we all went in the wrong direction. Finally, I think we found the right direction. Where are you guys from?
We are from Belgium.
Oh, nice. From India?
India, nice.
Yeah. I've been to Belgium.
Yes.
Yeah, back in 2010.
What did you think of it?
I went to the Delirium Cafe.
To Delirium.
Delirium in Brussels and Bruges. Brussels and Bruges.
Which one did you think was the most beautiful?
I like both of them. Like Bruges because I don't know if you've seen the Colin Farrell movie In Bruges.
I don't think
It's a cult classic.
She's seen it.
Watch it together.
Okay.
Have you seen In Bruges? It's a classic.
Yeah.
I went to Bruges just to see the bell tower. The bell tower.
If you ever go back to Belgium, you should visit Ghent.
Ghent, I didn't get a chance.
I think it's a charming big city.
For young people, it's
A little bit more alternative.
the most things to do, the most clubs,
Okay.
the best parties.
But I had a good time in Delirium.
I believe you.
Belgium is but the weather is always very gloomy.
Yeah,
No sun.
only in summer.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Best time to visit Belgium is in the summer.
And India is always some.
No, not necessarily.
No?
No.
Rain seasons as well?
India has all kinds of seasons.
Yeah, but it's
When it's hot, it's really hot.
300 times as big as Belgium.
Yeah. When it gets cold, it gets really cold. But it's like a continent in itself,
Yeah, indeed.
so
You have
huge.
everything.
Back in the sun. Where the hell were we going? Everybody missed one arrow. We went in the wrong direction, got lost. Because now we are in open space and heading towards the right direction with my friends from Belgium. I think my Tunisian friends are way ahead. Assalamualaikum. Qarab khoya. Madora. So we are here. This is just a cafe just before the big waterfall, and it says welcome Cascade, good place. Naam khoya? Garo? Come at kilmi shana khoya. Smile. The guy asked me for a cigarette, but I don't smoke. Smoke once in a while, but not a regular smoker. And we're here. One of the guys was right. The local guy. That's the waterfall. But not too much water. And some hot sizzling tagines. Well, at least we get to have some lunch next to the waterfall. Hello. اسمح لي يا اخويا وش التلتاجين هذه؟ ها؟ The guy is cutting fresh trees to make some fresh tagine.
Yes.
Sorry. And we're there. So we finally here. That's your waterfall. You can see there is some water. The cascade. That's your reef. It's still on the drier side. It's still beautiful. And here my friends from Belgium. Yeah. Do you think it was worth the hike?
I think the hike was more beautiful than
The waterfall? Yeah, but it's like, I think when you come in March, after January and February when it snows, and when the water melts, then there's more water.
but the walk from here was also beautiful.
Yeah, the hike was very beautiful.
Even without the water, I think perfect. Like the rock formation.
Yeah. So the battery of my DJI has died on me, so using my phone and gimbal, as you can see. Simply beautiful. The waterfall and people like just chilling out, enjoying the natural beauty of the Rif Mountains. So it was getting cold, a little cold, so I'm back in my sweatshirt. And here is Mr. Ismail. Hi. And he just served me some hot Moroccan mint tea, and in a tall glass, which is the patent of Shamal. هذه ديما في الشمال كديروا كاس طويل ياك كاس شمالي فرحان اسم ديالي فرحان مرحبا اخويا فرحان وش عارف فرحان هو هابي في لونجلي هابي وقلنا لي هماك مش هماك صاحبي هابي اسماعيل شنو اسماعيل زعما مولاي اسماعيل ياك
اسمي اسماعيل اسماعيل فجميع الاسماء اخي
guy from north. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Some Moroccan tea next to the waterfall. Not a bad day. Cheers. So before finally signing off, I'll just take a closer view of the almost dry waterfall. Right from there. In fact, I was so excited about like this waterfall that I got my swimming trunks, probably dive and jump from somewhere from those rocks, but it's okay. No regrets. It was worth the hike. Maybe there's always a second time in life. So let's go back and bye bye to the cascades, the beautiful waterfall. Oh fuck, just had to slip. So let's pay the tea guy and head back to AKCHOUR. Oh, slippery. I was planning to have a tagine here next to the
welcome.
waterfall.
Welcome.
What is it? Tagine?
بالخضرة
تجيب
أصحابك صدر جان عنده
هذه في البول هيك؟
ياك بول يا طاجين طبيعي.
السلام عليكم، مرحبا بكم، مرحبا مرحبا.
شحال كديروا الطاجين خويا؟
طاجين هذا 50 درهم.
50 درهم؟
يا بريسيدون داسوسياسيون داكشور عبد الله ليلاتي.
اها.
مرحبا بجميع الزوار يزوروا اكشور، منطقه جميله بزاف بزاف، فيها كل شيء، الناس ديالها طيبين. مرحبا بك من انديه من بقاع العالم، مرحبا بالتوريست، منطقه زوينه بزاف. شكرا، ميرسي بوكو، بيانفوني. السلام عليكم.
I understood just half of what he said, but very nice guy.
يا
So
يا
I was thinking of having a tagine here, but I think I'll head back. I have to charge everything, even my phone. So probably I'll have lunch over there. But it's a great place to have lunch. I see a lot of people out here enjoying the tagines. And there's Mr. Ismail, the guy who gave me tea. See you in AKCHOUR. Hey there, back again. The first waterfall, and got some freshly squeezed orange juice. Oh. Nothing to eat yet, because apparently you have to tell them beforehand
Yeah, we did.
to prepare a tagine. So I'll probably grab something to eat once I reach AKCHOUR. But I'm in a dilemma. My Belgian friends here are heading towards the God's Bridge.
Thanks.
And I was not planning to do that. So I don't know, like, and probably if we share a cab together, I might join them. So if I am not very tired, I just might join them for God's Bridge. And let's see how it goes. So if I feel fit enough, see you.